In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to sell your crypto to your credit card inside of Binance. It is super simple to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Binance on your smartphone device or PC. Then from here, you need to log in and all that. Then from here, you need to go up to the left-hand corner onto your menu. Then from here, you need to select more services. From here, you need to select sell to card right here. Then from here, a crypto list will pop up with every single crypto that you have inside of your wallet. Then from here, you need to choose the crypto that you want to sell. And for this example, I'm just going to choose Bitcoin. Then from here, you can select up here called one time. You can also do recurring if you want to do that. Then from here, you need to go down to payment method and make sure that you select the payment aid, Visa, MasterCard, and click confirm. Then from here, you need to select how many Bitcoin or how much dollars or DKK or whatever you need to sell and transfer over to your bank account. Then from here, you need to select all. From here, a preview order should be visible. If it's not, then you don't have the minimal amount of crypto that you can transfer over, sell and transfer over to your MasterCard. Then from here, you need to click preview and go over the steps from there. And within the next couple of days, the money should be in your bank account. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!